चल हो जा शुरू.
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे.
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार. विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी.
Maharashtra, it is an election news breaking as independent MLA Ravi Rana has now claimed that Uddhav Thackeray, who is currently on an anti-BJP rant, will soon join the NDA. Let's first listen into that reaction.
आणि मला असं वाटतं की ज्या उद्धव ठाकरेंनी इलेक्शनमध्ये टीका केली, टिप्पणी केली, ते उद्धव ठाकरे देशाचे पंतप्रधान मोदीजींची शपथ झाल्यानंतर 15 दिवसामध्ये जी खिडकी मोदीजींनी उद्धव ठाकरेंसाठी उघडी ठेवलेली आहे, त्या खिडकीतून तुम्हाला आतमध्ये दिसेल हे खऱ्या अर्थानं काळ्या दगडावरची पांढरी रेघ आहे. आणि मला असं वाटतं की ज्या उद्धव ठाकरेंनी इलेक्शनमध्ये टीका केली, टिप्पणी केली, ते उद्धव ठाकरे देशाचे पंतप्रधान मोदीजींची शपथ झाल्यानंतर 15 दिवसामध्ये जी खिडकी मोदीजींनी उद्धव ठाकरेंसाठी उघडी ठेवलेली आहे, त्या खिडकीतून तुम्हाला आतमध्ये दिसेल हे खऱ्या अर्थानं काळ्या दगडावरची पांढरी रेघ आहे.
All right, so you just heard that statement from independent MLA Ravi Rana, who's gone on to claim that Uddhav Thackeray could join the NDA, and that could happen 15 days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi swears in his third term. If this actually happens, this could be one of the biggest political twists this 2024 elections. Uddhav Thackeray, who has abused the BJP left, right and centre, who was thrown out of his seat, and he continues to call it a political conspiracy by the BJP, could well join the NDA is what we learn, as this is the statement that was made by independent MLA Ravi Rana. Let me cut across to Sandeep, who joins us live on the broadcast. Sandeep, what is the truth to this statement? Do you know the inside talks that are underway? And I think what would be most interesting to watch the terms on which this alliance happens if it actually goes through. Do give us all the details.
See, as far as this claim is being made by Ravi Rana, remember, Navneet Rana is one of the member of Bharatiya Janata Party, and she fought election on Bharatiya Janata Party's ticket. So ultimately, it is not just the claim by Ravi Rana, but by Bharatiya Janata Party. And remember, this is not the first time that there are talks regarding Uddhav Thackeray joining Bharatiya Janata Party or the NDA alliance. Previously as well, there were talks in the political arena that Uddhav Thackeray was in touch with Bharatiya Janata Party leaders to join in NDA, but ultimately things did not work, and at that point in time, it was Ajit Pawar who, in fact, joined the NDA alliance. It will be crucial to see on what terms and condition does Uddhav Thackeray joins in. But this is just a claim by Ravi Rana, although there is no official word being given by Bharatiya Janata Party itself, neither from Uddhav Thackeray. Although we have seen in the previous, in this very election, in fact, Uddhav Thackeray has been very vocal against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party. So what would be the terms and condition, whether he would be able to sacrifice the Chief Minister post that he had with Mahavikas Aghadi, whether, there will be any other equations that he would be looking out for, because ultimately, if at all this happens, that means Uddhav Thackeray is somewhere cautious with the fact that he may not have that very future with the Mahavikas Aghadi in the state of Maharashtra. Although there is no official word from Bharatiya Janata Party, neither from Uddhav Thackeray itself, but we will have to wait and watch out for whether Uddhav Thackeray takes this move or not.
Absolutely, Sandeep, and we wait and watch what happens. We trust you to keep us ahead on this development if and when it actually fructifies. For the moment, we also play out those exclusive reactions coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, confident of a third term of Narendra Modi, especially after what the exit polls are predicting. Let's listen in to what they've been saying.